Good evening, good morning, good afternoon. Please, Nigerians, my name is Engineer Okonkwo Azubuike. I base in Benin. This morning, Wednesday, I'm moving from the water to the train station.
My brother, na call the same bus. See motor motor they go travel. Trailer run enter us for Benin, inside Benin. Trailer finish our motor. Trailer finish us for bypass, for Benin bypass. Most of my boys now, most of them injured. Turn your leg, turn your leg. This one I injured for here, he injured for head. This one injured for ribs.
We thank God no life was lost. So we'll be able to manage and open the door. We ran out of the car, and the conductor of the trailer ran away, and the driver of the trailer also trying to escape. Then we'll be able some of us be able to catch up the driver and hold him. Now ask him. We are asking him how is he going to do our car and our equipment. He said that he want to call his Oga. Before few minutes, all the Hausas in Benin are already there because the driver is an Hausa man. So in few minutes, the person he call his Oga now become a soldier man who speaks Hausa with them. So we were expecting good news from the soldier man. He stood by that driver because he speaks Hausa with them. They were intimidating us, intimidate me and my boys because we cannot fight him, we cannot speak because he's a soldier man. He decided not to allow us to speak. He stood by that man. They took advantage of us. So along the line, he asked the driver to move. Our equipment, our car is damaged. It's beyond repair. I'm pleading all many Nigerians to help us to speak to whosoever that is in charge in that Dangote car, that Dangote trailer that destroyed our car and our equipment that we are taking to site this morning. Because the soldiers know that we are speechless, that we have